the three properties of single transformation. The given way also being to this is the graph -1 to 1. So when to find x of t plus 1, x of t, x of cos by t, there are many more. First is x of first is x of t plus 1 first one, x of minus t, x of cos by t, and x of minus t by 5, x of 3 by 2 t plus 1, x of 1 by 2 t plus 1, x of minus 3 minus 1, and x of minus 2 minus 1. Fourth one is my x of minus 1 minus 3, x of 0 minus t, and x of 1 minus t, x of 2 minus t, and x is 2x. Similar problem for x of t plus 1. I take this is x of t plus 1, t naught 0, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1. The time delay, time advancement, x of t minus 1, x of t minus t naught, 0 time delay. Second is flipping the function, x of minus t, by taking minus 1 to plus 1. Third is so plus by t. Recollect this one. This is the thing. So they are taken like this. So phi t will be like this. So phi t. And this is x of minus phi t. X is x of minus t by 5. A equal to 1 by 5. So we are taking x of equal to minus t by 5. Minus t by 5. This is 3 by 2. This is 3 by 2 t plus 1. This is times 50 property. Here t naught equal to minus 1. X of t kd a equal to 3 by 2. X of 3 by 2 t plus 1. So here it will be minus 1 plus 1. So minus 2 minus 1 0 and 1 by 2. So to minus 2 minus 1. X of 1 by 2 t plus 2. X of t 50. X of t plus 2 on scaling to be equal to by 2. This is the thing minus 3 by a and minus 1 by 2 6. This 2 by a we are giving as a is equal to 1 by 2. So if you do like this, multiply 2 into minus 2. Next is so t minus 3 minus t minus 3. Not shifting t naught will be 3. We take this 3 and this minus will be t minus 3. So we know the coefficient of minus t is minus 1. So a to minus 1. Here will be 1 by 2 because the coefficient 1 by 2. Here it will be minus 1 because it is minus t. X of minus t. So this is the diagram. Graph first it will be first is for x of n, and this is for x of t minus 3, and this is minus t minus 3. The graph of fourth one. Fourth one is x of, so this is x of 2x plus t. It will be like this, and I say x of n, u of n plus 3 minus u of n minus 2, u of n. So x of n, taking from there, minus t minus 1, 1 by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. U of n minus 3, u of n minus n, n on minus 3, u minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. This is the graph. This is x of minus 1, x of 5n, x of 5 minus 3n, 1 by 2 n plus 1, x of n 3 n naught, x of n, scaling x of 1 by 2 n plus 1. That's all guys. This x of n minus 1, 2 n, 2 minus n, x of 1 minus n, x of minus n, 1 minus n, is the graph. Short